All right, guys, number 57. This is the box that we rolled for on the last break. Box 294. We will get the team owners at the end. Number 57. Good luck, everybody. Hopefully we get a hot box. Oh. 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 Now, see, I thought this team was out of hits. Both of these teams that I see on the surface. I'm going to need some psychological counseling. Because the confusion of the whole thing, knowing they're supposed to be out of hits. Number one mistake, not getting the teams that hit a lot. Massive, huge autograph photo, Jerry Rice for the 49ers. What did we pull last weekend? Full-size Jerry Rice autograph helmet, full size. I thought Jerry Rice was over last week. What's going on? Huh. Biggest mistake. Get the teams that hit the most. Don't know who the player is, but we'll find out. I thought this team was done. Tampa Bay Buccaneers autographed mini helmet of, what is that, Ronald Jones? Ronald Jones. For the Bucks. With panache. All right, we got one more jersey break, or memorability break, 58 in the store. Also, we have hockey jersey breaks, Holly, in the store. They're in there right now. They're not sold out. It is pick your player. 3 jerseys a box. You go ahead and buy a player. If we pull it out of the box, you get that jersey. It's pick your player. It's in the store right now. Number 68 and 69. Now, see, I thought this team was done too. The Bengals. Bring your own game inscription. T. Higgins for the Bengalis. Man, every single one of these teams were supposed to be toast. Because there's only 450 boxes of the product. I'm sorry, 400. Here we go. Looked up owners up, see who owns this stuff. Tampa Bay. Tarzan. The king of the jungle for the Bucks. 49ers. '58, Charabomb had him. Charabomb had him in 57 and 58. Congrats, Charabomb. Nice hit, Charabomb, on the Jerry Rice. Now we got the Bengals, T. Hig. This is 57, right, guys? Jean-Philippe. Jean-Philippe with the Bengalis. Nice hit, Jean. Yep, in 57. Nice hit. Must be related to Lucas, maybe. Same last name. All right, guys, thank you so much. 58 is in the store.